Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a gate question in which we have to find the highest frequency and group delay in a RC low pass filter. So this one is a RC filter. Okay. So basically this one is a low pass filter. So in this question, we have to find the highest frequency. So in this question also given HF denote the frequency response of the RC low pass filter. So the frequency response of the RC low pass filter, how it looks. Okay, gain versus frequency curve. Okay, so then we have to find the highest cutoff frequency f1. Okay, and one condition is given h f1 by h of 0. When frequency is 0, it should be greater than equal to 0.95. Okay, and group delay numerical in the next portion. So first we have to deal with this one. So it is very simple question. So in this type of question, first we have to find the gain function. So if this one is a capacitor, so the corresponding impedance should be 1 by SC, and V naught S, the V naught S can be easily identified by using the voltage divider rule. So we can simply V in S, and the this capacitor impedance, that is our 1 by SC divided by 1 by SC plus R. Simple voltage divider rule, or you can use any KVL concept. So this one is the simplest one. V naught S, V in S into 1 by SC, this opposite impedance 1 by SC by 1 by total 1 by SC plus R. So the overall V naught S by V in S will be simply 1 by SC 1 plus SCR by SC. So SC will be cancelled. So it should be 1 by 1 plus SCR. Okay. So this one is the gain function. So we can write this. I am writing here. So the value of HS, that is our V naught S by V in S, equals to 1 by 1 plus SCR. Okay. So this one is the transfer function, we can say, for the low pass filter. Okay, 1 by 1 plus SCR, which is basically a first order. Okay, right? First order RC low pass filter function, transfer function, right? Transfer function. Okay, now if you are able to do this one, okay, in question may it will come high pass, so you have to place instead of R C, and instead of C we have to place R. Okay, so now if we put S equals to j omega, okay, put S equals to j omega, so we can write it h of j omega, so it should be 1 by 1 plus j omega cr. Okay, now one can also write the same thing by putting omega equals to 2 pi f cr. We are just putting omega equals to 2 pi f. Okay, now if we take the modulus, okay, h of j omega, so it will be simply 1 by square root of 1 plus 2 pi f c r whole square, means a plus ib, so a square root of a square plus b square. Okay, so no need to discuss so much, it is very basic. Okay, 1 plus 2 pi f cr square. Okay, or we can, if if you want to expand it, you can write it 1 plus 4 pi square f square c square r square. Okay, this will be in the under root. Now one condition is given hf1 by h0. So first we are finding the value of h0 when the frequency is 0, j omega 2 pi. So it should be simply our 0 will be 1 by square root of 1 plus whole term will be 0 by putting f equals to 0. Okay, so it should be 1. So we can simply say the value of h of 0 will be 1. Okay, I am highlighting because we need this one. Okay, so now the condition, what condition is given? Simply write that condition. H of f1 by h of 0 is greater than equals to 0.95. The denominator term will be 1. So we can simply write this as a h of f1 by 1 greater than equals to 0.95, or simply h of f1 is greater than equals to 0.95. Okay, so now what we have to do? Now h of f1, so we can write h of f1. So simply h of f1 is this value. Okay, in mode. Okay, it is already in mode, so better to put mode sign. Okay, so we can simply write h of f1. So one can write, I am writing here. Okay, I am writing here simple expression. We have to write 1 by square root of 1 plus 4 pi square f1 square c square r square greater than equals to 0.95. Okay, this one is the term. So one can write now 1 by 0.95. Okay, greater than equals to, and we can write it 1 plus simple calculation. Now we have to do for the f1 calculation, c square r square. Okay, so now again if we square on the both side, if we square in the both side, okay, I am doing here. So it should be 1 by 0.95 whole square, then 1 plus 4 pi square f1 square c square r square. Okay, now what we can do, go step by step. So 1 by 0.95 whole square. So if we solve this one, it will come 0.9025. Okay, so it should be greater than equals to 1 plus 4 pi square f1 square c square r square. Okay, so now one can also write 1 by 0.9025. So it will come around 1.10. Okay, greater than equals to 1 plus 4 pi square f1 square c square r square. Simple mathematics. Okay, now we can take this one in the right hand side. So it will simply 0.10 greater than equals to 4 pi square f1 square c square r square. Okay, so now this f1 square f1 square will be less than equals to, we can write 0.10 by 4 pi square. Okay, c square r square. Okay, if we put this one here, and one can also write 0.10. Okay, by taking the square root on both sides, simple calculation, it should be 2 pi RC. Okay, and then if we solve this value, it will come around 0.329 by 2 pi RC. Okay, so now once again, now everything we have the value of 2 pi we know already, so no need. R value 1 kilo ohm, so 10 to power 3, and 1 microfarad 10 to power minus 6. So if we solve this one, it will come around 52.2 hertz. Okay, so the correct answer for the highest frequency will be 52.2 hertz. Okay, so the correct answer for this question will be uh, option C. Okay, so I am highlighting this one is the correct answer. Now the next question. In the next question, we have to find the group delay. Okay, so for the group delay, it is very simple. So first I am writing the group delay formula, that is our Tg equals to minus t theta omega by d omega. Okay, so for this one, first we have the transfer function, so write the transfer function 1 by 1 plus j omega rc. Okay, and if we have to find the phase, in this case this one we have to find the phase, so h of j omega will be 1 by tan inverse rc by 1. Okay, omega, put omega value also, omega rc by 1. Okay, means 1 plus j omega rc, so phase will be tan inverse b by a, means a plus ib will be the term, so the corresponding phase will be tan inverse b by a. Okay, so the same thing we can write it tan inverse omega rc by 1. Okay, in the denominator, and in for the above one, 1 plus j omega, 1 plus 0 j into 0, so tan inverse 0 by 1, so it should be 0, so tan inverse 0 will be 1. Okay, so now this value will be our simply minus tan inverse omega rc. Clear? This I want to actually, this formula we have to remember. Theta omega is the phase of h omega. That is our transfer function. Transfer function of RC low pass filter. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to find the value of Tg. So one can write simply theta omega by d omega. So write it minus d by d omega, and theta omega is the corresponding transfer phase one. Okay, and one can simply this one. This one is basically our sorry, theta omega. Okay, plus theta omega. Theta omega. This one is our theta omega. Theta omega, that phase. You can also write as an angle term. So it should be minus of, minus term will be there, tan inverse omega rc. So this minus minus will be plus, so d by d omega we can write it tan inverse omega rc. Now we have to differentiate this one. So if the value for this one will be our rc, this term will be constant, and 1 plus omega square r square c square. Okay, this one is the formula. So one can also write RC 1 plus omega. Omega equals to 2 pi f. 2 pi f whole square r square c square. Okay. Now we have to find it for Tg for f2. F2 where f2 is where f2 is 100 hertz. Okay. So one can simply write this value 10 to the power 3 and the other value is 10 to the power minus 6 and 1 plus 4 pi square, then 100 into 100 or 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. And if we solve the whole term, okay, so it will come around 0.717, okay, in millisecond. Actually, I have solved this one, so that's why I'm writing. But you can also find this value very easily. The thing is, you have to remember this formula. So the correct answer for this second part of this question will be option A. Okay. So this one will be the correct one. Okay. So this is the all about this question. So in near future it may come for the high pass. Okay. So you have to proceed like that, or for the second order filter, so you have to write, but the second order filter will be slightly complicated, but we have to go like that. Okay, very similar steps we have to follow. So this is all about this question. So thank you for watching this video.